Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make violet with paper. To begin, gather your essential supplies. You'll need red and blue, which are the two primary colors that combine to create violet. Decide if you'll be using paints, markers, or even colored paper for your project. Finally, set up your workspace, ensuring you have protective coverings to keep things tidy. If you're using paints, start by placing a small dollop of blue paint onto your palette. Next, slowly introduce red paint, adding just a tiny bit at a time. Mix these two colors together completely after each addition. Continue this process, adjusting the ratio until you achieve the perfect shade of violet you envision for your paper creation. For those using markers or crayons, begin by applying a light, even layer of blue onto your paper. Once the blue is down, gently layer red directly over the blue. The transparency of the markers will allow the colors to combine visually, creating violet. Try varying your pressure and adding multiple thin layers to achieve different depths and intensities of your violet hue. You can also create the illusion of violet using only colored paper. Cut small, consistent strips or shapes from both red and blue paper. Then, arrange these pieces on a white background, overlapping them slightly. When viewed from a distance, the red and blue will visually blend, creating a vibrant violet effect. Secure your design with a small amount of glue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.